climb inside the 2013 Honda Civic Coupe. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, cruise control, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.